Patrick the puppy was nearly dead when he was found by a maintenance worker. Allegedly, his owners starved the puppy and tossed him down a garbage chute to get rid of him. The puppy was discovered in a garbage bag before the trash was taken to the compactor. He was horribly emaciated. The worker thought the puppy was really dead. Patrick was taken to a local Newark, New Jersey veterinarian office where his life changed for the better. The puppy, who got his name Patrick after being found right before St. Patrick's Day, weighed a mere 19 pounds at the hospital. Nobody at the Garden State Veterinarian Services believed the young pup would survive the night. He did, but wasn't out of the woods just yet. Since he was only 19 pounds, he had a body temperature that wasn't registered on the thermometer. Each day he lived was a victory for him, and everybody was cheering for him. Over time, the young pup got better. He gained some weight, and his fur was coming back in. Patrick the puppy was actually looking like a puppy. He's even been playing around as a puppy should. When he got better, the hospital administrator, Patricia Smillie-Scavelli, adopted Patrick. It took a year, but he's regained his health. And Patrick's former owner was caught and charged with both animal neglect and abandonment. His story is also used as examples for stricter laws on animal abuse.